Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo on a video in InShot, making problem solving simple and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, open the InShot app on your phone. Once the app is launched, you'll see the main menu. Next, tap on the video button. This will allow you to add and edit a new video project. Now, choose the video you want to edit from your gallery. Once selected, tap Add to place it on the timeline. At the editing screen, you'll see multiple options at the bottom. Tap on Stickers to add a new sticker or image layer on your video. From the Stickers menu, tap on the sticker icon in the middle left. This allows you to add a custom photo as a sticker. Next, tap Choose from Camera Roll to select the photo you want to overlay. Pick your desired photo from your gallery. After selecting the photo, adjust its size, position, and orientation on the video. Make sure it fits perfectly where you want it. Once you're happy with your photo placement, tap the Save button at the top right. This will save your video with the photo added successfully. And that's it. You've successfully added a photo to your video in InShot. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Solution Lab for more simple tech tutorials. Also, comment below if you want a video on adding multiple photos or stickers. See you in the next one.